What's up guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make this blouse with a gathered neckline. So let's get started. To cut this blouse, you fold your fabric into 4 places and then you take the length of your blouse. For mine I have 30 inches, so the length of my blouse is 26 inches and then I've added 4 inches to it, so I have 30 inches altogether. And then you go ahead and mark out 2 inches on this part for the neckline. And then you go ahead and mark out 2 inches on this part for the neckline. For the sleeves, you go ahead and fold your fabric into 4 places and then you mark out 2 inches. And then you place it on the blouse like this. And then you fold in the 2 inches mark. You fold the 2 inches in like this. So the next step is to mark out 9 inches on this part. You mark out 9 inches. And then on this line, I'll take my bust measurement. So you divide your bust measurement by 4. For mine, I have 9 inches. And then you add 4 inches to it. So altogether, I have 13 inches. So it's your bust measurement divided by 4. And then you add 4 inches to it. And then I'll connect this line to the top part like this. And then on this part, I'll mark my armhole curve. I'll place my tape here and mark 1 inch. And then I'll draw a curved line like this for the armhole curve. And then I'll go ahead and cut. So I'll cut from here down to this place and then from here down to this place. After cutting, this is what you have. For the front part, I'm going to make a 5 inches slit. So I'll place my tape here and then mark 5 inches. So I'll go ahead and take off the sleeve. And then I'll take off the back bodice. So now I have only the front bodice. I'll go ahead and cut the slit. The next step is to take your front bodice and then you take your sleeve. You go ahead and sew it to the armhole. You sew your sleeve to the armhole with the right sides facing each other. And then you take the other sleeve. You do the same. You go ahead and sew it to the armhole. So after joining the sleeves to the front bodice, you take the back bodice and then you pin the sleeves to the armhole with the right sides facing each other. You go ahead and sew. And then you do the same for the other side. You pin the sleeves to the armhole and then you go ahead and sew. So after joining the sleeves, the next step is to go ahead and hem the slit. And then after hemming the slit, you fold in the 2 inches and then you go ahead and sew it around. You hem the neckline, leaving 1/2 inch opening on this part. So you sew the line around the neckline. So after hemming the neckline, you go ahead and make another stitch around the neckline. So here's the blouse. Please like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. I love you for watching. Thank you.